Hello friends, it's Akbar Khan Qureshi, one of the ex-participants of Faces of Transformation by Nations United. I was a participant from India representing Qureshi Farm and made it to the final 3, which I'm very proud of. And we at Qureshi Farm believe in empowering people through knowledge, and our YouTube videos are pretty popular now. I just have to look up Qureshi Farm and you'll see what I'm talking about. And to show you now, I have a few highlights. If you are someone who cares about what's around you, and if you are someone who wants that change, you're not happy with things around you, want that change, if you have initiative a humanitarian project, if you want exposure for a humanitarian project, if you want to raise awareness for a project, this is a very good initiative by Nations United. You go ahead, apply for Faces of Transformation. It's a global project going on, and the exposure you get through this, and people you meet through this, and stuff you learn in the process is tremendous, not to be missed. Go ahead and apply now.